One product photo, 10 professional e-commerce detail pages. Sounds like magic? Actually, it's pretty simple, and I will show you exactly how. First, open my go-to-cloud workflow platform, Running Hub. It's simple and easy to use. We just need to tweak a few things, like uploading your own product images. Better on a white background along with detail shots. The model can also be AI generated. Just go to the Gemini website, select Nano Banana 2 for image generation, paste in your own product image, and a prompt with any description of a woman you like. Hit send. Wait a moment, and you will get the model you want. If you don't like it, just run it again until it feels right. Keep in mind, Gemini has a daily limit for image generation. You will also want to manually input your product selling point and category. You will also want to manually input your product's selling points and category to help the AI interpret things correctly. Then hand over to the prompt generator. The scene preference is currently in Chinese with 3 options. Usually, we just pick the first one mix. Next, choose your design style. Options range from minimalist and luxury to tech-inspired, and there's even an artisan style. That works well for most sellers. Just pick based on your product and the vibe you are going for. Then comes the Nano Banana Note again. Here, you just select your preferred image ratio and resolution. 2K resolution costs a bit more in API fees, but it's still quite affordable. Once you are set, just click Run. Here's the best part. The first few calls to Nano Banana Pro are free, so you can test the waters daily at zero cost. After that, it's only about 3 cents per image, practically pennies compared to hiring a real photographer. Running Hub credits also cost just a few dozen points per image. I will drop the workflow, the Running Hub invite link, and the prompt code in the comments. If you sign up with my code, you will get 1,000 free points, plus 100 more just for logging in daily. Alright, our pictures are generating right now, and quite a few are already done. Let me zoom in so you can see the quality. That said, some of the models here aren't referencing the ones we uploaded earlier. If you like a particular result and don't want to re-rolling, let me show you another workflow. This one uses online AI directly. Upload your model's face and the original image. And it automatically blends the face into the new product with matching lighting. Super simple, and that's the job in one go. Now let's test out a few different styles and image ratios. One quick note: if you are not a member of Running Hub, generated images will include a small watermark on the top left corner. A basic monthly membership removes that. Or if you prefer, you can always use a free watermark remover. I personally use the Chinese version of CapCut, and it works well. See? That's just come out automatically. We can also click into the workflow section inside the AI face swap tool. Let me show you the result again. Pretty impressive, right? If you're curious, the link to try Running Hub in the cloud is in the description. For local use, you can download it directly from the RH site, and if you do sign up, using my invite code, give you extra credit to start with. Thanks for watching.